Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a repeat customer. It's a farm work truck that seeds its share of gravel roads and muddy boots. Make sure you stick around until the end to see just how incredible this plastic floor and floor mats look. My question in the video is this: do you think they should put plastic floors like this in passenger cars too? It sure would make cleanup a lot easier, especially if you have children. I'm going to start out using my shop vac to vacuum up as much of this dust as possible. While I have a moment, I'd like to congratulate AdAirGB. They were the first to pick up last week's quote from my favorite movie of all time, Christmas Vacation. Make sure to listen for this week's quote and put it in the comments below. I'd also like to apologize for not getting a video up consistently on a weekly basis. As most of you know, this detailing is just a side job for me, and with the holidays, I don't always have time to use a weekend to get a vehicle done. I truly appreciate everyone that has liked and commented and subscribed. It gives every content creator motivation to keep creating videos when people like and comment. If you feel so inclined, take a second to go on down and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It lets YouTube know that you're enjoying the video and it needs to be pushed out to more people. I decided to work this detail in reverse order of what I usually do. Typically, I'd start with the carpet since they would need time to dry, but on this truck, I'm going to start with the trim because I know some of this cleaner is going to run down onto the floor anyways, and then I can get it cleaned up later when I get the floor looking brand new. For all this trim and plastic, I'm using one of my favorite products, P&S Express Interior Cleaner. It does a great job. It's not too harsh, foams up nicely, and gets these things looking clean. If you're so inclined, I have it linked in the description below. Keep in mind, I'm not a professional detailer. This is just one of the products I enjoy using the most. One of the finer details I like to hit is these air vents. I spray a little of my cleaner onto these cotton swabs and I'm able to get these vents looking brand new again. This is the part of the detail I looked forward to the most, this filthy plastic floor. The last time I cleaned it, it was so much dirtier, and I'll link that video in the upper right hand corner, but there is something about cleaning this plastic that brings it back to life and makes it so satisfying. These door shuts were very dirty and dusty, so I decided to get them cleaned up, and I'm using a new product, DIY Details Rinseless Wash. It's a very nice product. It's heavily dilutable. I dilute this down 1 capful to a gallon of water, and I put it in a spray bottle, spray it on, and then get a nice wet microfiber cloth with that rinseless wash, and it creates a very slick surface that you're able to wipe up all that dust and leave no scratches. I apply 303 Aerospace Protectant to finalize the look and give it some great UV protection. And I am showing me wiping down the plastic afterwards to buff off some of that sheen that can be left behind, leaving a truly spotless finish. I'd like to thank the user at I Love Chicken Sausages for recommending that in my last video. And now the reason I was so excited about this plastic floor, it was because I feel the need for Gummifix. Let me know in the comments below if you think it looks brand new again. And yes, I did wipe off the excess with a microfiber when I was done, and no, it wasn't slick at all. Cleaning this floor mat was definitely the most satisfying part of the detail for me. The transformation from beginning to end was stunning. Drop a like and leave a comment below if you agree. Probably the most remarkable thing about this Gummifix product is it took this old beat up WeatherTech floor mat and it was stained up and marked up, and it made it look almost new again. Yes, some of those spots and stains came back just a little bit at the very end that you'll see, but it made it look almost probably 80% new again. This Ford turned out fabulous. If you enjoyed the video, go on down, hit the like button, and share it to your friends. I have a couple more great details linked on the screen. As always, I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Until then, keep it clean.